Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Hey, it's here for Asamo. Just say, and then oko social media. Asem aba, just say social media. A huru putu. Nkrofo de egusa akode so. Na de ntia na de egusa akode so. Anse na beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. I remember very well last year me report me kai story way pa because me year story ni we ya me report we ya no. Me the groups ni na ka ho ma group bi ebe contact me tre say wo mo nka ho. Now last year mo be kai a me the story be bro our story no UN United Nations a petition Ghana IGP say inkuo bi aba Ghana ha say ya wo mu yusu UN fo ni din ede scam Ghanaian top personalities, especially musicians and it but muni amobeka is our story no obi a wo follow me from last year when there's a story nearby Emma nkrofo ebe kasa wo ho etiefo enno na trese last week Vodafone Ghana Music Awards e kosui around 28 29 30th of August ono na trese say the first day ye ne aye hu se sa akode wanko na na nkrofo wonder not knowing no na sa akode the pictures bi aba tutu ho say we winning award UN for Kofi Annan omo di Kofi Annan din the late Kofi Annan din amma sa akode award na nkrofo a say wa wonim say social media there sa akode wo fans nti sa akode fans wo mo de asem no ebe ya asem no omo de asem no ya asem na afi wo mo twabo other musicians say ane UN there obi ama award say that sa akode pe say not knowing na award ne ka sa akode wasn't the only musician the man sa akode ni be black but wa wonim sa akode the wo hype in nkrofo no pejai na no mo de kasa na award ne so they give other personalities like I think Bellamundi and some other personalities for na nye easy omo ya award na nkasa say ahemfo eba award na se say enya asem ketua o for and then the yebe sorry atwi etia say say wo mu a wo mu organize award no papa ba ko din I friend Mr. Forgewo say say scam for say ade no scam o award dia UN fo na de amasa akode award dia trese say ade na ye de masa akode okitakra no cocktail shaker won sa bottle na na wo mo mixing san wo ba no wo mo di guma wo mo shake no say ye no bi na ye de ahye sa akode nsemu a sa akode de twa picture fefefe a trese sa akode win award UN award na mimi susu say na award we sunti Vodafone Ghana Music Awards ka sa akode wanko because say Kofi Annan UN for afro say ye ma award na Ghana Music Awards afro say ye ma award anka de na obekọ na ka obe Kofi Annan de no ama wako Kofi Annan de no eti ye de nim say sa akode akwakoje award aba say ade no ye say ye scam ti wa na me ka say last year me ka say me the story wey buy that is it for no. Now this particular thing exposes our society in the sense we are so much into our scheme because your person you trolling crowd say me na menya award intino na organizations be in ba in the name of UN and in the name of certain organizations be na ye top personalities no. They don't do background checks. Adiewe, I can tell you for a fact, and you'll be an adiewe to me no. Because they have a good tactical team. You send me a message, say ebia UN for your person ma award ye say ya. They will do some background checking who say microphone no scam and I say yes scam. But say Ghana no, we don't do that. And then why I'm saying that, I say, me there are some way be bom nan saying me who video be. YouTube obi a wono so ye YouTube Ghana ni a wo ye YouTube and share da ye ne ho se sikeni a wo ne Ghanaian musicians say kasa che say wo hwe na wo bi se o musika wo mo beje for wedding ase ne nyama confidential matters so ne dey tudwa be hu ne say Ghana ye musicians no che say bibi background checks e wo se wo mo ye no wo mo nye nti ande social media wa wonu say nansen so de sa akode yen ka ne kre nansen sa akode aba benya in a way atamfo bebre in the sense say one on the Shatawale album now so still Shatawale ne fans ni bi empenasem because of incendia Shatawale ka fan ne ho and this song a woyema Shatawale still e shomumu nansen ya woni Stonebwoy woni Stonebwoy nya kasakasa wo ba bontin meye nsem obe jese wo saki Stonebwoy fi o ka so ma Stonebwoy perform wo show na se later nsem ba bontin a yesi Stonebwoy ko twie tio later nkrofo abase Stonebwoy an twie tio still sa akodi an clarify say Stonebwoy an twie tio no Stonebwoy so fans omudwa no nti asem we ama nkrofo twe sa akodi wo social media enye easy senya ye de sa akodi enim eye fom no meanwhile he wasn't the only person who went for the award. He wasn't the only person. Ade na matikra say yesi ahemfo bi eka ho matikra say yesi University of Ghana Chancellor eka ho senya me din kan kire o D Black ono so kan chese etiefo enye easy and Mr. Forjo. And people have gone to bring out some old videos of Mr. Forjo na utumi wonu say wono kra was in comedian bi na trese rough bi a wo ye and ankrofo ka say say akode wo be ma wo bi aska me wa say nipa we trese only God knows ankrofo yi ade a wo mo de sa ade we be ye no only God knows because wo mo organize wo tumi organize ade we dey no mo organize ye no we didn't know say a scam. No one knew it was scam. Oma organize we after some days and sana year realize say a scam. Can you imagine the endorsement maybe they got from these personalities just within 2 days? Can you imagine what they would have done with these endorsements? Can you just imagine what they could have done or they would have done with these endorsements? You know, ayana yes celebrities no. Say Ghana has say no. Bibisa embada say ebia celebrity bi de ne ho akwa she bibi mu endorse bibi ama ade no later akwa wie scam ama celebrity no yakwa siu no bibisa embada na won enyama wo ho a e wo say ye celebrities no they see themselves as brand wo ho say answer no wo mo de wo mekwa she bibi mu no wo mo be ye thorough check ehunu say ade we ya ye de ye ho ekwa she mu yi ade no eye pefin because who nim one day obi akwa akodi wechi one day who celebrity bi wa endorse product bi na wo endorsement a dem product ni nti obi akwa akodi wechi na ono so akwa purchase product na ono so de nesika akwa akoshem na later ba be yes scam ni pa kono baka say wo celebrity ni kra bia wo ka ho na de wo be court e bia na wo celebrity ni be kwa wini asem no wo court kra no but you waste your time you dey wo akwa court. Why? Because you didn't do your background check and you endorse that product. Intini esre nkrofo bi wo wa nda me ne o ka say obi wo ho a wo hu sa akode se ne nyame de sa akode be kan bia no wonu ehu ne se eye ne kre obi wo ho a wo hu Shatawale se ne nyame de Shatawale be kan bia no eye ne kre obi wo ho a wo hu Stonebwoy se ne nyame de Stonebwoy be kan bia na eye ne kre ema no. So we need to view ourselves that way. Ehun say dia wo be ye na some of the betudwa no. Some people are able and some people might pick it up. And bibia brand bia wo de ho ebe associate wan hwe na brand na ye brand bia eye faker ebe ha adwe ntia na wo kwa abrochi a sa wo mo big musicians ni nyama no wo mo fa wo mo hu nkwa hyehyehye bibia mu sa o ansa na wo bi beba petrol letter ndi ye pese just say wo mo be ye check hu say ade ne eye pefe ansana. And I can assure you sa ade we na ki thorough check, because now it has come out say it is a scam. And just like the way I've told you last year, I reported on that inti nankasa akodi team eye thorough check and anko me hu ne say last year the United Nations for ankasa etro letter be ma IGP say groups bi e de yedin ye fake award e wo Ghana na monhwe ne ye nti na komo ye toro checker na komo ni boss story ne so a na ka the first thing they will do is say okay you contact UN for angasa ne hwe say sa group ya wo mo de award yi be masa akode no ye group asabi edimu ana. Okay, a quick check from the UN would even show say ebia group yi omundimu menfa ho nkonko shem ankasa akode won fa ne ho nkonko shem ende nkrofo edi nenim ase twapia atese o mo mbedi na tem edi na tem enye easy etiefo ntra mo adwo comment box ni mo me da ase